What's up guys, welcome to the new daily market outlook. Excuse me for the bad quality because I'm at the airport right now heading into Bali because I was invited to a trading event in Bali and it's gonna be a quick one today, so excuse me for that. So starting at the 4-hour time frame on the DXY, I'm looking for a retracement into the supply zone and then see a change of character, liquidate some more highs like here on the 1 hour, also very clean, and then see the downside into some more liquidity and the 25% flip range. Then moving on to Euro USD, now we can trade the dollar downside on this pairs. I'm looking to see a retracement into the yearly open, at least the yearly open, and then see a retracement, see a change of character in that and just buy it based on that. So like this, in towards the liquidity points and a little bit more also for some higher prices. Then GU, very similar to EU, but I don't like that we didn't liquidate this low before creating this new demand zone, but it still stands as the same. So we have liquidity here, as in Euro USD. Also we had liquidity here, and from this demand zone we can then see some higher prices to trade it up higher after a 4-hour change of character to have some new higher highs maybe in the future, because we are bullish right now on the GEU. Then ADUSD, we just made a break of structure, so I would wait for the retracement and then you can just basically trade it up higher from those liquidity points and reach the demand zone, preferably if it's not too bullish, and just wait for the change of character, similar to EU and GU also. Then USD, also from the 4-hour demand zone, we want to wait for the liquidation right here and then the continuation of the 4-hour change of character to also trade to higher prices. And then we got USD-CAD. We are falling very sharply into the downside, but I still see some high prices if we see a daily change of character on USD-CAD to continue trading out of this weekly demand zone. Moving on to EURCAD, we look very clean and I entered this position myself, as you can see. We liquidated a lot of highs here. We are in this higher time for supply zone and we made right now a break of structure up and then a break of structure up, creating a supply zone down, and I'm basically trading this whole impulse down to create a new lower low. GCAD is also similar. We just liquidated a lot of highs. We are in the supply zone and we created this daily change of character, and I'm looking to trade it down lower, and after we break the yearly open we can then trade more shorts towards the lows. Also in EURCAD, also after breaking the yearly open you can scale in or get into positions yourself. Then moving on to AUD NSD, very clean price action. So we liquidated these liquidity points right here. Then we made a fake breakdown, taking even more liquidity. My bad. Like this, creating even more liquidity, taking even more liquidity. Then we saw this shift in structure right here on the fractal here and on the macro structure wise here, and you could have bought it on the break, and now you will be up almost 1-to-1. So if we see a retracement liquidating this low or reaching again this demand zone, we can trade up higher. Then going to USD Swiss, I see some retracement, and then after we see the daily break of after we see the daily change of character, we can trade it up lower, trade it down lower. Then the yen basket, I see retracement and then continuation towards the downside. Euro yen, liquidate the lows and then trade it up higher. Then CAD yen, just look for liquidations and trade it up higher. Then GBP, JPY, look for liquidations and change of character and trade it up higher. Then XAU, look for this high to go and then to trade it up higher to see this change of character, or look for some more liquidity taken and then trade it up higher from there. Then Nasdaq, it reaches all-time highs soon. Oh, it already reached all-time highs, so that's good. So then wait for retracements and then continuations, and then it's starting like we can see lower prices again, so that's very clean. So this was a market outlook, guys, and I'm out.